with this year's Gambler 500. This year we're gonna do it a little differently. We are actually out already. We had the driver's meeting and everything, so now we're off to our first checkpoint. We're actually gonna hit the checkpoints this time, so we'll see how well this goes versus last year. If you remember the video, we wound up mainly at the off-road parks, which is fun. But yeah, we've got a small convoy going. Let's see if I can get this going over. Oh boy. But yeah. So, back at it again. Only this time, this year, I'm going to try to blow this Buick up. We'll see if I can finally set it to its final resting place in all its glory. So yeah, we're just chugging along down some back roads. We got a different crew this time than last year. Some similar faces, but yeah, check in with you guys in a bit.
It was the first year they made it. It's got a carb and a stick shift.
Dude, I love this car, man.
89 Americans hated it, so they came with fuel injection and automatic.
It'll run forever.
Hey, it's golf club here.
Yes.
It's a golf cart.
Duh.
This person.
It has to go all the way. And so first gear, that's going to be towards you and up. So right now we're in first gear. So basically what you do is you cut the clutch off. Send it!
Four!
What do you
What exactly happened? Is it just a break?
Best Uber,
Yeah.
best Uber ever, man.
Man,
USA!
USA! USA!
Where are we going? Right here?
That's right.
Yeah, right here is good. Up, Mercedes. Night trail ride. Stop.
You ever break it? Oh, geez, look at the good game. Get the fuck out of the way.
Yeah, that strap breaks. Fuck.
There you go. But now he's gonna get stuck. Watch. Oh!
Freedom!
Oh, I got post-nasal drip too. That's you, bud.
I'm pretty sure my Lord's fixing my cold right now. Is that a dog? Is that it?
Yeah.
Dude, I can see my own breath right now.
Yeah, it's cold.
Is it cold? I can't tell.
Nah.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
buddy, you ain't gonna golf today. Send it!
What? I can't pretend to be a girl?
Shut up and sit down.
Photo finish.
Shut up and sit down.
Pull right up and stop. Or we just run them. Start us off. Stop rolling forward, asshole.
This is the crew we're rolling with today. A little bit of all their cars. There we go. Dirty Santa walking his dog. Oh, you'll be on YouTube. What checkpoint are we at? 5.
Old ice house.
Checkpoint 5, Old Ice House. Everyone's still holding up strong? Sure. Alright guys, we're at checkpoint 7 or 8. Scene around here is amazing. But we're at Chattanooga. Ah, you can't see that. We're there. But the scene on here. Oops. Yep. Buick's chugging along, starting to overheat, per usual. Doing Buick things. But we're still sitting at 3/4, I think, give or take. And she's running strong. She doesn't want to die for sure.
Oh, is something not working on it? Or?
So that one,
Was the side post battery that I converted to top post.
yeah, and she keeps disconnecting it because the shift solenoid's defective or broken or whatever. And then mine's is overheating. Yours has the fuel leak. I think, oh, his tire was, yeah, his rear tire started burning, so they had to swap it out. The BMW's still good. Yours is still good.
Yeah, I fixed mine last night.
There you go. What was it? Oh yeah, that's right. You guys kept cranking it. And then obviously Humvee's not gonna break, but he's always leaking. Humvees leak like fucking sons of bitches. All right, this has been my current standing for the last hour or so. It likes to hang out like right here at 3/4. Now it's going a little higher. I don't know if it goes any more. I'm gonna have to cut it down and let it cool down. But for now, she's fluctuating. I hope she doesn't blow up before we get to an off-road part. It'll be an anticlimactic death of the battle Buick, but we'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. She finally overheated. And once again, and try to get those fans to go run full time.
Successfully got it.
Yeah, we got it running, but we'll see if there's a higher setting. See if you can jump it to that.
Yeah, you can just loosen this up and screw it under.
Because that should be.
My only concern is you've got
It's not.
very small gauge water.
Yeah.
So it melts a little bit.
Find out. We're going back to camp because we're running a little late. It's about 4 o'clock. The temp gauge is about right there. good. Let's hope we can make it back to camp so I can blow her up on an off-road park, not on the street. Should be great. Alright, so far we're in home of Popeye. We're in Chesterton? Something like that. But yeah, cute little small town. Well, second time she overheated. We're now running. No hood. Hopefully that keeps our problem down. We got 74 miles left. And we're just back on the road right now. Wish me luck, because as soon as I get to that off-road park, I'm fucking destroying this thing. The end of an era. 3 years. Finally died. Just kept overheating. That's it. Goodbye, Buick. It was nice knowing you.
He's 12, thank you.
Don't make it tough.
Ken, you want to go back up?
Alright, it is now the next day. Buick is gone. And now we're at this ATV park.
On my way in.
Enjoying the festivities that is an ATV park. I want to see that duck flat. Yeah. year. Another gambler come and gone. It's the last of us. Most of us left out. And yeah, so that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and on to the next one. See you guys.